as the question says, a motorcycle has to move with a constant speed on an overbridge which is in the form of a circular arc of radius r and a total length L. Suppose the motorcycle starts from the highest point, then what can be its maximum velocity for which the contact with the road is not broken? So we need to find the maximum velocity. If the motorcycle goes at a speed of 1 by root times the maximum found in part A, where will it lose the contact with the road? That is, where will it lose the contact is the main point. And in the C part we have what maximum uniform speed can it maintain on the bridge if it does not lose contact anywhere on the bridge. So no contact is lost over here. So we need to find the maximum speed that can be maintained. Drawing the diagram for this question, we are having a bridge of total length L. Let the total angle be twice of alpha, and if this is the vertical line, let this be a random position at an angle theta at which an mg force is acting downward. Obviously the motorcycle is over here, then mg force is acting in the downward direction, while a centripetal force will be obviously acting along the line joining the center in that point. Moving ahead with this question, we can now start with the part A, in which we need to find the maximum velocity. Now, as we know that in order to avoid any loss of contact along this direction, we can easily balance the forces at the highest point, which will be simply the gravitational force balanced by the centripetal force, that is mv square by r. From here, cancelling the factor of m over here, we get the velocity to be under root rg, where r is the radius of this overbridge. Proceeding with the second part of this question, that is, if the motorcycle goes at 1 by root 2 times the maximum found in part A. Now this was the maximum speed. Now the v is v max by root 2. Now if the bike is at this position, then balancing the forces, I can say mg cos theta, that is the force mg along the line joining the center in that point, providing the necessary centripetal force, that is mv square by r. Cancelling the factor of m, we get v square equals to rg cos theta. Putting the value of, we get rg by 2 whole square under root equals to rg cos theta. So this is simply the v square, that is we got from here. Putting the value of rg over here and squaring that and putting back here, we got this thing, giving us cos theta equals to 1 by 2, implying theta equals to 60 degrees or pi by 3 radians. Now friends, we all know the relation that the length of the arc is equals to radius into theta in radians, giving us r theta equals to pi r by 3. So this is actually the length of the arc that we got of this much. So we can say that it will lose contact at a distance of pi r by 3 from the highest point, that is the point A. Now proceeding with the C part or the last part of this question, in which we need to find out what maximum uniform speed can it maintain on the bridge. For this problem, we can say that this motorcycle has the maximum chances of losing contact at the end of this bridge, because obviously when it will be moving over here, then it will have a tendency to lose the contact over here and go beyond, doing a projectile motion ahead. But if there is no road here, mind it. Now proceeding ahead and taking that case, since we have 2 alpha, that is the total angle equals to L over R. So we can take it as mv square by r here equals to mg cos alpha, because alpha is the angle with the vertical now of the last point, giving us a velocity equals to under root rg cos theta, which is equivalent to alpha over here, that is equals to L by 2r.